Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This is going to be my first, well, not my first, but my official 1 month review of a StrongBlock node. I'm gonna make it relatively quick because I don't have to, it's just very direct information. There's not a lot, there's not a lot going on with this. So let's get started, right? I created my first strong block node on December 11, 2021. I should have made this video yesterday, but I got busy with my family and stuff, so I couldn't really make any videos yesterday or the last couple of days just because I've been really busy with my family and at work. It's the beginning of the year, so there's a lot of stuff that's going on. But just to let you guys know, as of yesterday, I did have a full month with my very first node, the Strong Node TSM01. This one right here. It made me 2.9 strong coins. As of right now, sorry, I'm keeping a very heavy eye on Bitcoin right now, and I'll probably release a video on that later. As of right now, strong is at 627 for the month. Right, so 627 times 2.9 equals 1,800, which is fantastic. As of right now, in 1 month, I am estimated to make around 5,454 bucks. But for right now, this is essentially how much I would make, or how much you would make, or how much anyone would make holding one strong block node. I did purchase my nodes. Roughly, I don't want to say the bottom, but roughly around $4,500, or which was closer to the bottom. Than where we are now, because right now, where we are now is 627, and then I think the lowest that it hit was a little bit under 400 bucks. So I bought them around between 430 and 450. So each node, for my very first node, I spend around, I'll go to the upper side and assume that I spent $4,500 for my first node. As of right now, it's almost 50% paid off after 1 month. After the 21st of January, I will be making a review of having my 3 strong nodes, fully for all 3 for a full month. But yeah, I mean, it's been pretty good. Nothing. I tell you guys, this takes no effort whatsoever. This is probably the easiest money I've ever made in my entire life. I've done absolutely nothing except for buy the strong node, just kind of check on it once or twice every day. That's it. Other than that, it does its own thing. I don't even double check it. This is literally, the fact that you're able to make money with this is ridiculous to me, right? I don't know if this is going to zero. I don't know if this project is going to last. I personally think it will. I like the teams. The developers are fantastic. Their roadmap is fantastic. So I do think the project is going to be here for a very long time. I do think this, the strong block business is going to be for a very long time. I think this company is going to do extremely well, but this can always go to zero, right? So there's definitely a huge risk when buying strong nodes. But as far as the difficulty of this, I have a video, so if you guys want to make a strong node, go back a couple videos, search my channel. There's going to be a very thorough video on how to create a strong block node. But it's been extremely easy. All you really do is just create your node, and then you just watch it. You just watch it make money. There's literally nothing that I do in my part, apart from every 30 days. I would pay all my fees. Right now, I don't need to, right? I don't need to pay my fees till another 36 days, right? In 36 days, I'll probably pay the fees for all my nodes and then kind of move on. But again, first month review, I made $1,800 off my first node, which is fantastic because the first one is already around 50% paid off. If we do enter, another crypto bull run, I do expect this, these nodes to be paid off within another month or so, right? If strong goes to, I think, $800 or maybe $1,000, more than likely I'm probably going to take my first payout and probably cash out and put that back into just regular crypto. I do want to compound, but if it hits $800 to $1,000 per coin, I'm probably gonna take profit and cover the cost of my initial investment, right? because the compounding thing is forever. So I can basically compound this, as long as I hold these nodes, I can compound forever. But yeah, first month review, absolutely no effort from my part apart from just making the node in the first place. I made $1,800 from my first node. So I can assume that in the next couple of days, by the 21st, when I have my 3 nodes officially running for 1 month together, it's going to be a full profit, passive income of $5,400. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Oh, 10 out of 10, man. This is insane. The fact that you can make money by literally, doing a little bit of overhead for a node to run this is ridiculous to me. I have no idea how, you're able to make money off this. I still have to do research on it, but it works, right? Like I can cash out right now and be fine. Yeah, $1,800 for the first month for the first node, 10-10. As long as the project doesn't go to 0, I'm cool with it. Bye-bye.